Now, hopefully I'm done fucking around with my engine. I have put the original stock 2.4 throttle body on my stock 2.4 fuel injection setup, and I just gave it a start and it worked just fine. So here we go. And a lovely little idle. And if I give it throttle, so I now have good idle and I have good transition to run, and the run circuit seems to work just freaking fine. So I've got a little bit of a whistle somewhere, and I got some throttle cable work to do. But yep, I think I finally did it. It works, hooray!